landmarks for the cervical spine are the top of the head and T1. You're going to set the yellow arrow on both of them to reflect 0 on the dark black scale. Go ahead and bring your head forward and back. That would be flexion. On extension, same landmarks, top of the head, yellow arrow inside the red picture, and this time we're going to bring the instrument over to the shoulder to avoid the head hitting it. Go ahead and look back and come forward. That's flexion extension of the cervical spine. You will do the same thing, sit up straight. On the thoracic spine, you will use the yellow arrow for flexion extension. You'll set it on T1 and T12. She will do flexion and then extension. And stand up, please. On the lumbars, we will find L1 and S2. I'm going to use any L1 and S2 at the moment, since we aren't gowned. Set the yellow arrow. She will bend forward as far as she can at the waist, and then push forward at the pelvis for the lumbars and the pelvis, okay? For rotation, may I have you place this on your head, please?
Yeah.
Okay. For rotation, we're going to use the top of the head, setting the red arrow inside the red picture, and T1, in case you're going to motion every time, and turn your head to the right, okay, and then to the left. You're going to do each side separately and read what the reading is on red. Can you take the headband off, please? For the thoracics, make sure posture stays good. Let me turn it correctly. T1 and T12, same thing, right and left. And then L1 and S2, stand up please. And she would rotate left and right. Now I'm not being specific with landmarks because we're not gowned. We're doing a quick scenario. Can you turn this way just a little bit? Okay. What are we doing? Lateral flexion. Top of the head, yellow arrow inside the red picture. T1, you stand it on T1. You don't lay it because it will not be vertical with gravity. It stands on T1, and I'm picking, like I said, any T1 at the moment so that we can get this video and head to the right or to the left for lateral flexion. T1 and T12 for the thoracics, left and right, or whatever she's doing, lateral flexion. And then stand up, please, for the lumbars. We would find L1 and S2, and right and left lateral flexion. Have a seat, please.